Looking for a smart gimbal that can track your face? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the AOCHUAN Smart X3 Gimbal. This is a 3-axis smartphone gimbal. So that means it's going to stay stable and also can track your face. And as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at the AOCHUAN Smart X3 Gimbal, a 3-axis smartphone stabilizer. Control freely, shoot steadily anywhere. Packaging looks really nice. It looks ready for the shelf. Nice quality. Let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is actually on the lid. It gives you information on connecting the app and getting it set up. Next up, we're going to have this really cool carrying case right here. It's super nice that they include this. You're going to get this quick start guide right here, which comes in multiple languages and just gives you all the info on how to get it set up and get going. Super quick and super easy. Looks like we got a USB-A to USB-C cable, so super cool. A cable is included, so nice. And now the reason you're here, the gimbal itself. Whoa, this thing feels really nice. It's got a good weight on it, so it does not feel cheap at all. We got some protective screens there. Pop that off. Pop this one off. Right here it looks like we've got a little toggle right here, an AI switch, recording button. We've got some kind of interface here for up and down. We got our USB-C port and we got our on-off switch. On the bottom it looks like we have an attachment for a tripod right here, so that's super cool. So you can set it up on a tripod. Looks like we can do some form of extension right here as well, so that's super nice too. And the gimbal fully extended is huge. Look how far out this thing goes. That's crazy. Look at that. Wow. Definitely awesome for a tripod. And speaking of the little tripod spot, if you click this down, you can open it up and make it its own tripod. So very nice. But let's go ahead and get it set up and try it out.
This is the AOCHUAN Smart X3 Gimbal, 360-degree infinite pan tracking. Featuring unlimited 360-degree panning, this tracking gimbal continuously follows your movements and keeps you centered in the frame with smooth, seamless rotation. 3-in-1 gimbal stabilizer, the Smart X3 integrates a phone stabilizer, face tracking tripod, and extendable selfie stick into one versatile device, fulfilling multiple shooting needs for video recording and content creation. One-touch open tripod equipped with an upgraded one-button tripod deployment. Smart X3 allows quick setup while providing a wider extension range and enhanced stability for reliable shooting. Detachable magnetic remote control with a control range of up to 33.8 feet. The magnetic remote lets you operate the Smart X3 effortlessly, whether you're filming indoors or outdoors and away from the stabilizer. Built-in extension rod, the Smart X3 stabilizer features a hidden 20-inch extension rod that extends instantly and adjusts freely in height, making it easy to capture shots for different angles and elevations. 3-axis stabilization gimbal, just mount your phone and unfold the stabilizer to enjoy consistently smooth footage. Whether you're walking or running, the 3-axis stabilization keeps your phone steady at all times. And with multiple shooting modes, it offers 6 shooting modes. With the Smart X3 gimbal supports a wide range of photo and video styles, catering to both everyday users and more advanced creators. And with that compact and foldable design, it's designed as a one-piece foldable stabilizer. It collapses down to just 6.9 inches and weighs only 14.4 ounces, making it easy to carry in your pocket or on the go shooting. This gimbal is pretty awesome, and with the AI features and face tracking with that 360-degree pan, it's pretty amazing. So we gotta say, AOCHUAN, wow, great job.
This is our first time working with AOCHUAN, and I gotta say, this thing is incredible. Buying a smart gimbal can easily break the bank, and these are so high quality and so affordable. It's super nice. So we gotta give a huge shout out to AOCHUAN for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.